BricsCAD Communicator can import 3D CAD data from all the major MCAD programs. After the import, converted the model to sheet metal bodies for unfolding. All import models are not alike. BricsCAD detects defects and has the tools to fix problems. In this model, the bends are not correct to unfold. Some are non-concentric, some have hard edge instead of internal cylinder. Use the repair command to convert wrong bends to regular bends. BricsCAD identify flanges, bends, and ribs. BricsCAD also identifies other form features like louvers and bridges. Instead of importing models, you can use BricsCAD library of parametric form features, which provide lots of flexibility.